Hey there, this is Dr. Rob, the car doctor in my car doctor hospital. And this week's victory is a 2017 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk that had an intermittent blower motor failure for the customer, and she needed to get through DEQ. So this video is like behind the scenes snapshot of what it takes to diagnose and repair today's crazy vehicle. So first off, we'll take a look at the what I call the intake sheet from the customer. Super important to get what I call the why. The what. What is the problem with your vehicle? When does this problem happen? Where does this problem happen? And why does this problem happen? So the what, when, where, whys. Critical to get as much information as you can. What I really do is set the stage right away. Welcome to the Honest Car Doctor Shop. It's our goal to provide you with high quality customer service, diagnostics, testing, and repairs. So not to go into detail, but you basically tell the customer, hey, this is just like going to see a good doctor. The more information you can tell me about your vehicle and the reasons and situations, the better service they can get. So she did a really good job of filling this out. Also pretty critical, anything else you tell about your vehicle? And she had one more complaint. So just a really good way to get accurate information from your customers. Now, as I proceeded into this vehicle, here is a color and wiring diagram. Mitchell on demand. Mitchell has some awesome wiring diagrams. So just for the blower motor, air conditioning, and heater circuit, you'll notice right away that today's crazy cars, it now has an AC heater module. That's the computer. And it basically takes, to keep this Cherokee diagnostic simple, your controller controls relays and then things for the AC. Body control module is part of it too. That's a different computer. Here's the blower, housing, motor, power module, and all these components. What I basically do is keep it simple and use the controller, the relays, the blower motor, and the controller here. And to make a long story short, it's powers, grounds, inputs, outputs were all good. So it's intermittent. And I basically told the customer, hey, done excessive research, testing, diagnostics, and these blower, motor, power modules is a very common failure. So intermittence can be difficult. So basically told the customer, we've tested your controllers, your relays, powers, grounds, everything's good there. Of course, it's super hot, so she wants her AC to work. So I basically say, hey, I've verified all these results. Most common problem is this component. Now, there's a good chance, and I've always educate my customers to say, especially here, I'm 95% confident we've got the fix on your vehicle, but you never know. You have to keep the 5% open for other issues. So that's the best you can do as a car doctor today, especially when you cannot confirm the fix by not being able to duplicate the problem. So that's what I do there to be safe and, tell the truth. The truth needs no further explanation. So we got that. Now, the good news is, got the part in, verified it, it's good to go. She needed to get through DEQ. So another service that I highly recommend you do for your customers is that you can drive the vehicle to make sure that all the codes pass, all the monitors pass, and highlight that a little bit. I love the basic, this is just for checking monitors and quick codes. I love the Autel code checker AL319 AutoLink. Really quick way to check for pending codes, current codes, and real-time monitor passing as you're driving it. So I took it one step further, drove it to make sure no further codes set. All the monitors ran and passed. This doesn't show that right now because I cleared some codes after the other repairs. So we're good there. And the coolest part is I also try to develop as many allies as I can. I like to have allies and not competitors. So my local Jiffy Lube has DEQ2 program. So as an added value to the customer, I also took it into Jiffy Lube on my extended test drives and did the DEQ2 program. see if we get some focus there. So really cool program where I went in there, did the test online, 2005 and newer, and got it to go. And then they gave me this form that I'm going to give to the customer. So kind of to wrap things up, because I like to make these videos quick and not going into too much depth, but get the correct information from the customer, do the detailed diagnostics the best you can. Intermittent's going to be tough. Tell the truth, give them options, and verify the fix by driving it to make sure that no further code's set and all the DEQ monitors pass. So that is the Car Doctor victory for the week. 2017 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk. No more codes, all the monitors passed, and she's good to go for a DEQ. And the most important thing, she has AC for the hot summer. So this is Dr. Rob, the Car Doctor, with the Honest Car Doctor here in Hillsboro, Oregon, ready to help you with your DEQ, check engine lights, drivability, all that high-tech repairs. Here's a quick tour of the shop here. Got to keep it clean, lit, and organized, just like a brain surgeon in a operating room. So, okay. All right, everyone. Dr. Rob, the Car Doctor, over and out. Until next time, take care.